Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya. In today's video I am going to share with you different types of nail polish removers which are really very affordable and easily available in Indian market. So if you are interested to know about all the nail polish removers, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, as we all know that nail polish removers are a must have in our vanity. So we all love to do our nails and we really need our nail polish removers for that. But nowadays most of the girls prefer doing their nails from the nail art parlors. So that's a different story. I am not talking about that today in this video. So today I am going to share with you some different types of nail polish removers. These nail polish removers are really very affordable and easily available in Indian market. You can buy them online, you can buy them from your local stores. So today I am going to share with you three types of nail polish removers. So the first one is liquid nail polish removers, and I think that we all know about that. And the second one is nail polish remover wipes, and the third one is dip and twist nail polish removers. So I have three options in liquid nail polishes. So the first one which I am going to show you is this one. This is the L18 nail polish removers. So this is the packaging. This is a glass bottle, so that's a very good point. They are not using plastic. So this is a 30 ml product and this retails for 50 rupees only, and you can even get discount on your local stores and on online website also. I have bought this in 45 rupees from my local store, and as you can see I have almost emptied the bottle. I mean, it's half empty. And for many years I have been using just these nail polish removers. I didn't have the rest of the nail polish removers which I have today because I didn't know about them. So nail polish removers comes in really very affordable prices like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, and when I was in school I just used to buy those nail polish removers to remove my nail paints because I didn't have that much of pocket money, and I used to notice that the skin around my nails get a white cast, and it was really very bad to look at, and I was really confused that what it is happening. But after I have started using the other nail polishes, I found that it doesn't give any white casts. So the white cast is basically of acetone. So acetone is something which is not good for our skin. So most of the nail polish removers, I mean the cheap nail polish removers, contains acetone in them. So I will highly suggest you to not buy those nail polish removers because it is not really good for your skin. Because when you are applying nail polish remover on your nail paint to remove it, it also touch your skin around the nail. So I will highly suggest you to buy those nail polish removers which are free from acetone. So this one is not mentioned whether it is free from acetone or not, but it is mentioned that it contains glycerin in it. So that's very good because it also removes nail paint very easily, and I have used it a lot and I am still using it. As you can see, I really love this one, and if you are in a budget you can definitely give it a try. And I have also shown you some demo videos of each of the nail polish removers which I have shown, and you can definitely check how it works on my nails, how much the time it takes. So you can definitely check that. So the next on my list is this one. This is from Blue Heaven and this is a 100 ml bottle. That's a pretty good quantity and the price is 65 rupees only. So if you compare to this, I think this is more cheaper because you are getting 100 ml at 65 rupees only, and I think that I got this on 10 rupees discount or something like that. and I will mention the links of these products in my description box below. And this one contains vitamin E and nail conditioner in it, and this is a plastic bottle. So the next one in my list is NY Bay nail polish remover, and this is from purplle.com. I don't know whether you can buy this from any other website or not, but I have bought this from purplle.com, and this is a brand which is really very affordable, and this nail polish remover retails for 49 rupees only, and this is a 30 ml bottle, and this is also a glass bottle. And the main point about this nail polish remover is it is acetone free, and that's a very good point about this, because it is really very affordable and you are getting acetone free nail polish remover. So if you want to try acetone free nail polish remover, then this is a very good option for you, because the previous two products are not mentioned whether they are acetone free or not. So guys, those were the liquid nail polish removers, and next on my list is these nail polish removers from Inside Cosmetics. So these are nail polish remover wipes. So this is a very new product for me. I don't know whether it was in market for a very long time or not, but I recently come across them and I'm really enjoying using them, because these are acetone free and it's really very affordable. This contains 30 wipes in it, and this retails for 30 rupees. So 1 rupee for one wipe. That's a very amazing product. And this is the lemon variant, and I have also another variant which is green apple. So the flavors really don't matter. I also had a flavor which was strawberry. I have emptied that, so I bought this to one. So guys, beside of being acetone free, this is also very travel friendly, because you don't need to carry any cotton pad as you have to carry with the liquid ones. You just need to take one wipe and you can remove nail paints from your 5 nails, which is very good, and you can definitely put it in your bag and carry it with you wherever you want. And one more point I want to mention here is these nail polish removers take a little bit more time comparing to the liquid ones, but I think it's completely worth using, because it leaves your nail with a beautiful shine after you have used it. It doesn't leave any white cast or any type of irritation. So I think this is a very good product, and I can highly recommend this nail polish remover to you. So the next and the last on my list is this nail polish remover from Swiss Beauty. So this is a dip and twist nail polish remover, and this is the most travel friendly product, because you don't need any time to remove your nail polish. You have to just dip your nail in it, it has a sponge in it, so you have to just dip your nail, twist it and remove it, and your nail polish will be removed. So this is definitely a time saving product, and you can definitely carry it with you wherever you want to. So this is in the variant blueberry, and this is also available in other variants also, and I have bought this from Nykaa, so you can definitely check out which variant you like. But as I have said that the variants and flavors really don't matter. This retails for 99 rupees, and this is also acetone free. So this nail polish remover wipes is also acetone free, and this is also acetone free. So I can highly recommend these two products to you. And if you want to buy any liquid nail polish remover, so you can definitely give this NYBay one a try. And if you want to try the L18 and the Blue Heaven one, you can definitely give them a try. But these are not acetone free, as I have already mentioned. So it's up to you whether you want to buy those or not. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and do let them know that there are some amazing nail polish removers which they can buy for themselves. And also comment down below and let me know what you think of my videos. I will love to know that. And also follow me on Instagram if you are not following me till now. What are you doing, guys? Just go and follow. The link is in the description, and I have also shared all the links of the products which I have shown in this video in my description box below. So if you want to buy any of one of them, you can have a look. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.